Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is February 27th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Steve Madden, a leading designer and marketer of fashion-forward footwear, accessories, and apparel. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Steve Madden has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue growth to strategic initiatives and their outlook for 2025.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Steve Madden reported a fourth quarter revenue of $582.3 million, marking a 12% increase compared to the same period last year. For the full year, revenue reached $2,282.9 million, up 15.2% from 2023. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth is primarily driven by robust gains in international markets, non-footwear categories, and direct-to-consumer channels. Additionally, there was a return to revenue growth in their U.S. wholesale footwear business, which contributed significantly to the overall performance.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Steve Madden's adjusted earnings per share for the fourth quarter came in at 55 cents, slightly above the forecasted 54 by analysts. John, how significant is this EPS beat?
It's a positive indicator, showing that Steve Madden managed to exceed expectations despite some challenges. The beat, although modest, reflects the company's effective cost management and strategic execution, which have helped them maintain profitability.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Steve Madden reported adjusted operating expenses as a percentage of revenue at 31.4% for Q4. Looking ahead, they forecast a revenue increase of 17% to 19% for 2025, with an EPS range of 2.30 to 2.40 cents. John, what are your thoughts on their future outlook?
The company is cautious about the near-term outlook due to potential headwinds like new tariffs. However, their agile business model and the upcoming acquisition of Geiger, which is expected to close in Q2 2025, are set to provide a new growth engine. This acquisition aligns well with their strategic initiatives, particularly in expanding international markets and direct-to-consumer channels.
CEO's perspective and strategic initiatives. Edward Rosenfeld, the CEO, mentioned that the earnings results were at the high end of their guidance range. He highlighted strategic initiatives like international market expansion and non-footwear categories. John, how do these initiatives position Steve Madden for future success?
These initiatives are crucial for diversifying their revenue streams and mitigating risks associated with market fluctuations. By focusing on international markets and non-footwear categories, Steve Madden is tapping into new growth opportunities. However, the CEO also expressed caution due to potential tariff impacts, which could pose challenges in 2025.
Key takeaways. In summary, Steve Madden has delivered a strong performance for 2024, with significant revenue growth and an EPS beat in the fourth quarter. Looking ahead, their strategic initiatives and the Geiger acquisition are set to drive future growth despite some near-term challenges. Thank you for joining us, John.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure discussing Steve Madden's performance and prospects.
Thank you to our viewers for watching. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Steve Madden's performance and outlook in the comments below.